Hey, what's happening, everybody? I'm Jeff Moore, published author, professional trader for 16 years, and this is The Ripple Effect. All right, everybody. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today, I'm going to be watching a video from somebody brand new. I got an email about XRP. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right, but it's got a lot of subscribers. And I'm going to watch a video from him today. Very first time I've ever watched this video. It has to do with XRP. At least that's in the title. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and just take a look really quickly at XRP. See where it might be moving in the short term. All right, so looking at XRP, we had a pretty volatile last day or so. We're looking at XRP. It's currently sitting at 62 cents. We had a decent up move for crypto this week. But looking at XRP, we briefly cracked that 63 area, but one of the things is we broke that 63 resistance, but it quickly sold off. We also broke the 59 support level, and it sold off. So pretty volatile candle. So again, where are we looking at in the short term? So if we break and we hold the 63 resistance, we should run up to about 66 to about 70 cents. Okay, so that's 63. We got to get above the 63, hold. We're going to 66. If that breaks, around 67. That's to the upside. To the downside, we briefly broke that 59 support level in the short term, but it went right back up. So we got, if we break the 59 support area, we should expect that to hold as new resistance. And if it does, we're going down to about 55, 56. If we break those, we should work our way down into around that 52 cent area. So that's the short-term support. That's the short-term resistance. That's the levels that XRP's got to hold in the short term. All right, so let's get into that video from our boy XtraVOD.
It's actually happening, guys. Bitcoin above 40K, XRP moving along with Bitcoin as well. But there's an ominous feeling about gold. Why? Because it just pumped, guys, right? And when gold pumps, as we can see, this is crazy, guys. It created a new all-time high.
Oh my God, dude. I love it, dude. This is crazy, guys. I like this guy. This guy's awesome. Hey, it's crazy, guys. Let's keep rolling, man. This is cool. I like this guy. Ominous feeling, too. And I do trade gold. You guys know I've been trading for 16 years, so I trade all this stuff. So I'm curious what he has to say.
Hi, look at that. That's insane. It broke out, right? They're about to release gold from all the suppression that's been happening over the years, guys, right? Gold is going to go ballistic. We do know that for a fact. But I was hoping gold would have stayed a little bit lower before, because I wanted to buy some.
Gold's gonna go ballistic. That's a fact, guys. Right? We don't know what's gonna happen, but gold has been on a tear. I love this guy. He's the best, dude. He's the best. All right, let's get going.
Before the collapse, right? But if it does go up, so it be. But the feeling about gold, guys, the odd part about this is that when gold pumps, people are hedging, right? So this possibly means something is incoming in the year. Which year, guys? 2024. Think about it. We're going to be talking about it more in tomorrow's video, guys. So hopefully these cryptocurrencies start moving, right? Up and up and up and up. Let's see what happens, but things are getting quite exciting, guys. 2024 is about to be an amazing year, to say the least. Tomorrow, this is happening from XRP.
100% agree. He said 2024 is going to be an amazing year. I personally believe it's going to be the year of all years. We are going to finally hit it, right? Not just XRP, everything. Bitcoin right now, I think it's shot up, or it might be over 42,000. I can't remember, but it's coming. 2024, huge.
He drops. Brad Garlinghouse as keynote speaker. This event called Boston Institutional Digital Asset Forum, as we can see. So this is supposedly taking place tomorrow, guys. So I'm going to keep an eye out to see what, obviously, Brad Garlinghouse speaks, right? We may want to listen to. So let's see what Brad Garlinghouse has to say, guys. And An inside perspective of the global digital asset ecosystem. Wow. And there's going to be a few other people here as well. Look at Solana. That's crazy. Then we have Forbes. Forbes came out with an article, guys. Again, I'm just so excited. I don't know. I'm just looking at prices. I can't go sleep, guys. Right? The volatility is going insane.
This guy sounds like us. I can't go to sleep, guy. Dude, what the fuck, dude? I love it. I can't go to sleep either, man. I don't know your name, XRP. I can't go to sleep either.
It's just going crazy. Up and down movements. But hopefully they leave everyone behind, guys. You know what's crazy? We got bullish. You guys want to know when we got bullish? Right here. I'll show you guys. I'm going to show you guys with XRP because we called the bottom on it. Right here, guys. We got bullish literally on this day, June 15th, or around this time frame when XRP bottomed out, right? That same time frame correlates with Bitcoin about 17K. It did dump lower because of that news event FTX, but it did create the real bottom was this though, right? It created a bullish divergence and then we pumped out of there. I think a hidden bullish divergence.
So bullish divergence, again, I know a lot of you know this, but a bullish divergence is when price is going down and the indicator, whatever indicator you're using, right? I use the RSI, I use the forecast, Market Forecast Pro, TTM Squeeze. So price is going down, indicators going up. So he doesn't have an indicator, but it would be slanting up. That's the bullish divergence. Does it call the bottom? No. Sometimes, but what it means is that momentum is slowing. So momentum in price is slowing as the momentum is increasing in the indicator that you're using. But it just means a weakening in that trend, and it's a possible reversal. But it's a good indication. So let's keep listening.
But back to this article, guys, 2024. Forbes came out with, mark your calendars, people. January 2024 spot ETF approval would be an event that would lead to new capital inflows into the asset class, including XRP. Wow! Guys, XRP is finally being on the mainstream news, right? Finally. Again, this may be an early indicator of XRP exploding to the upside, guys, right? Oh, wow. I can't believe it, guys. So let's read this. Mark your calendars. Dates revealed as huge as $17 trillion Bitcoin ETF countdown suddenly begins. Right, heralding Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price chaos. ETFs followed by Wall Street giants that manage a combined $17 trillion, which they're going to flood it into cryptos, it seems, as Bitcoin spot.
So why is an ETF important, right? Again, I've been in the financial market for 25 years, Series 6, 63, 65, 7. Why is that important? Because it's allowing the average day person to get into the game. That's why it's big. Because here's the deal. Right now, you and me watching, we know how to get in crypto, but a lot of people don't. It's a difficult thing. You got to have, you got to be skilled. I talk to people every day and I ask them, and the ones that aren't in it, I ask them, hey, why aren't you in it? They're like, I don't even know how, or they don't trust it. But here's the big deal. They're going to be able to go down to their financial institution, Edwards & Jones, Merrill Lynch, right, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and get in. They're going to go to their advisor and say, hey, you know what? Let me put $10,000 in Bitcoin, $20,000 in Bitcoin. The average person is finally going to be able to get in the game. That is huge for us because the institutions, in order to be able to offer the ETF, it's backed by physical Bitcoin in this case, or Ethereum, whatever the ETF is, it's backed. So they got to own it. This is so big when it comes. People are underestimating the power of this. This is what happened to gold back in the days and set gold from where it was at in the way in the bottom to where it's at today. Important.
But ETF approval window is officially January 5th to January 10th. I hope they delay it though. I hope this happens, guys. You guys want to know my game plan? I don't know if this will. Seems like a slim chance, but I believe April of 2024, guys, right around the Q1, Q2 timeframe, around this area is when a black swan event occurs. So if they could delay till then, guys, right, that'll be a perfect indication that that's going to be the top, right, the top of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can create a new all-time high, that's going to be amazing. right before the halving date as well. The halving, and if I'm not mistaken, the SEC event for the SEC. The Ripple versus SEC case takes place in April as well, guys, right? So there's so many things on incoming. It's going to be pretty realistic. So that's what I hope, guys.
It's a shame so many women struggle to lose weight. When this special coffee loophole helped me drop from 184 to 123 in...
So hopefully they do delay it.
That's all we need to know, guys. That special, the special little powder. You want to lose weight? It's the special powder. It's that easy. The powder, man.
Right. So there could be more momentum as well. But if they do come out with it January, there's going to be a lot of volatility, right? We may cool off, we may dump a bit because buy the rumor and sell the news events, guys, right? But hopefully they do delay it. If not, then it is what it is. We're still going to be pumping, in my humble opinion, off an HFI's quote. Really, this means that any potential approval orders are going to come on either Monday, January 8th, Tuesday, January 9th, or Wednesday, January 10th. Mark your calendars, people, end quote. Wow, so they got a date for this event. This event would be considered a net positive for new capital inflows into the asset class. But wait a moment, including Ethereum and XRP, right? As well as other major cryptocurrencies. They listed Bitcoin because that's a Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum, and XRP, guys. Finally, it may truly be time, hopefully, right? Especially when these giants, institutions, and everyone's coming into play, guys. I told you, if I were as sinister as them, guys, I would activate every ETF, every ETP, every index fund for cryptocurrencies to lure everyone in, guys, into this asset class, right? Explode these cryptocurrencies to the highest potential possible, and then rug pull everyone when everyone's sleeping, right?
Yeah, I don't think they're going to rug pull anyone. This is different than the futures contract. The futures contract, that's how it was. Because you don't own the physical product, it's all paperback. They could rug pull it, but with the ETFs, it's not going to be like that. You know, the average person is getting in. They can't. If I put $100,000 in a Bitcoin ETF, you're not going to rug pull it on me. Okay, you're not going to do that to your clients. Now, it might, you know, when the initial reaction happens, drop down, because it's usually buy the rumor, sell the news. But it's going to go. This is going to cause a ripple effect, right? That's good. So it is a net positive, and they're not going to rug pull. I mean, it could, but the odds are, nah, it's not going to happen.
Then we see 2023 institutional investor report are already purchasing XRP, staying the course institutional investor sentiment toward blockchain and digital assets, right, of April 2023. They came out with which types of cryptocurrencies does your firm allocate to currently? Choose all that your firm owns. So Bitcoin is obviously number one as we speak. Ethereum right beside Bitcoin. Then third place comes in about Solana, right? So that's surprising. Not really, guys. Solana is a VC type of coin, right? It's all manipulated and centralized. Then XRP. At least XRP is in that same type of basket, right? Solana is already... It's just heavily manipulated, guys. I guess the reason why they're investing into all these coins is because of the speculation run, right? And look what it shows right here. It says right here of the 190.
They're investing into these coins because of the fundamental use case. That's it, right? You know, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, you know, it's slow, the dinosaur, but it's number one. Ethereum, they got use case, more contracts. Solana, same thing. XRP, cross-border. Doge, that's more speculation, but they're entering into the game because of the use case. Now, this next bull run might be a speculation bull run, and then we go through one more pause before the utility bull run. Either way, we're going to get our money regardless. But let's keep seeing what he says.
19 firms with current crypto allocations, 119. Next up, from Binance, soon, right? Time to get your Binance Web3 wallet set up. So it seems as, guys, if I'm not mistaken, Binance is trying to onboard the next billion people into cryptos, right? We told you that's how the rug pull, the greatest rug pull, will occur, guys. If literally majority of the world, right, gets into cryptocurrencies and then they collapse it, everyone goes broke, right? So this is why we got to be very careful. This is why they will probably pump these crypto currencies very high. Check this out, guys. Crypto assets are steadily being incorporated into payment systems. So after the collapse, they will bring upon a new financial system. This is just my opinion, just speculation, guys, so take it with a grain of salt. But it's already beginning. Why? Because in this slide, it shows crypto assets are steadily being incorporated into payment systems, right? The world will move into this type of transferring value will move like information does today. Not to mention, it seems like they aren't playing around no more. We rarely ever talk about seller guys, but they came out with an article or something. An additional or ad. This is an ad. An additional $60 billion. An additional $60 billion ends up in the pockets of remittance receivers when cross-border sender costs are cut by just 1%, right? And if you check out this, let's see what it shows here. Bringing
Full disclosure, XLM is one of my top 5 favorite digital assets. And as XRP runs this run, so if you're big into XRP, you want to have a bag of tricks in the Stellar Lumen.
Stellar down to earth. Remember, Stellar and XRP are tied together, right? XRP will be behind the scenes, so to speak, under the hood, while probably XLM will be in the public view. Confirmation from Coinbase. They say institutional money has arrived into the crypto market. What?
Begin with the demand. In terms of the crypto trading and associated services, where do you see the most demand from your client base?
I will. Thanks very much for having me. Just before I answer this question, it's worth giving a bit of context about the formation of crypto as an asset class. So over the last 20 years, new markets have been created and adopted by institutions. We're talking about FX, treasuries, credit, EM, commodities, derivatives, structured products, and so on. Typically, it takes around 3 to 5 years before clients and their banking and trading partners all adopt a new vertical. But in 2021, crypto markets compacted a 5-year into a 1-year cycle. The end of 2020 kicked off an institutional onboarding year in 2021 as traditional finance participants started to engage in crypto ecosystem in earnest. Institutional clients' volumes basically 10x as they traded $1.1 trillion in volume in cryptocurrency on Coinbase, up from $120 billion the year before. So now to answer your question, I would say every type of institutional investors have been very much involved in 2021, and each for their own reasons. So let's start with hedge funds, which are the primary users and who are using our flagship prime brokerage services to create, maintain, and refine their edge in generating alpha. The second bucket is VCs, and they continue to deploy capital in the crypto economy as digital assets and blockchain technology are increasingly viewed as providing uncorrelated returns.
While they wanted you out, guys, during the bear market, they were all buying. Sleight of hand.
Yeah, they might have wanted us out, but we're way smarter than that, right? There ain't no way they're shaking us out. All you guys watching this, you're big into XRP. They're not. We've been here forever, man. We've got destroyed. If they couldn't shake us out back then, there ain't no way they're going to shake us out now here. The good news is we're ahead of all of them. How many times in somebody's life are they in before the banks, the hedge funds? This is freaking amazing. We have got them beat. Who's the dumb money now, right? They call us the dumb money. Who's the dumb money now, institutions?
The flows are driven mostly by LPs and asset owners who are looking to allocate to growth investments in a low yield environment. The next bucket, family offices, they enjoy lower regulatory and shareholder obligations compared to institutions. And that enables them to be more future forward and seek higher growth strategies. I would say that they were the earliest entrants to crypto as long-term investors. And this was also driven by the next generations that are more open to crypto and digital assets than their parents. Now, to a lesser degree, I would say asset managers, who are the gatekeepers of roughly 200 trillions of capital. Their investment mandates and fiduciary duties are unfortunately requiring much longer due diligence. So adoption is taking time with this group. And it's, however, a question of when, not if. And at Coinbase, function of digital assets beyond the investment aspect of tokens, resonance management, and NFTs to better engage with their clients and fans are.
All right, I'm going to kind of stop that. I think that's pretty much the end of the video, but let's kind of go back in here. Let's talk about it really quick. First of all, what's up? I mean, big things coming. It's really close, really close. I mean, it's moving right now. This This past weekend, it jumped up quite a bit, but all the big institutions are talking about it. The ETF's coming, the halving's coming. Like this guy said, XRP is ready for a new world. Wow, new world, huh? We'll see. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for joining me in Ripple Effect. Do me a favor. If you guys are into trading, you guys know I've been trading for a long time. I love that crap. I day trade. I day trade on this channel Tuesdays and Thursdays, the S&P 500 futures. So come hang out with me if you're into trading. If you're into option trading, check out some of the cool playlists I have on this channel because I post videos all the time on option trading. We don't just talk about crypto. I do a lot of stuff. Trade, invest, all that good things. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you found value today, reward me by giving me a thumbs up. It would mean a lot. I really appreciate it. Lets me know that, hey, you guys are liking this. You're pumped. I'm pumped. We'll keep doing it. Also, hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. We're going to bring you some powerful content, right? Powerful content on this channel. So make sure you don't miss it. Everybody, have a great day. I'm Jeff Moore, published author, professional trader. Remember this. If you want to have more, you have to think more. Peace.